Hello, it's Marco Xink here from the channel Xink Ensina, and this is a new quiz on some and any, two words that are kind of confusing in some circumstances. Which one should we use? Because we use to describe quantities of things and in other situations. So let's go. Here it is. 5 questions, 5 chances for you to be correct. And after the questions and answers, we are going to have a short description or explanation on how to use each of these words. So let's go to the first question here. Question one. Do you have blah money with you? And you should complete that with some, any, none. Some money, any money, a money, known money. Oh, right. What's your answer? What's the correct one? Let's go. The correct one is any. Do you have any money with you? Were you correct? All right, let's go to question two. I don't need blah help right now. I don't need a help. I don't need many help. I don't need any help. I don't need some help right now. What's the correct answer? Any help. I don't need any help right now. Good. Look at question three. Would you like blah water? Would you like any water? Would you like some water? Would you like much water? Would you like a few water? What's your answer? Question three, correct answer is some. Would you like some water? We are going to see why in the end of the video, okay? But let's go to question four. Question four, there isn't milk in the fridge. There isn't no milk. There isn't many milk. There isn't any milk. There isn't some milk. All right. The correct one is any. There isn't any milk in the fridge. Okay. How many so far? After the 5 ones, why don't you leave in the comments how many you were correct? You did correctly. Let's go to number 5. Number 5, I have friends coming over for dinner. That's so nice to have friends with us, isn't that? So I have any friends, no friends, much friends, some friends. Look at the answer. What is your answer? Some friends. I have some friends coming over for dinner. But why they were in your in these answers? Why was that? So let's go and have some explanation here. But if you are fine with this and you don't want the explanations, that's okay. Just please give your like, strike the like button, subscribe to the channel. There are some others you can try, and please share with your friends. Otherwise, let's go on. Let's continue and see some explanation about this topic. We use some for plural countable nouns. So we use some with plural countable nouns when talking about an indefinite quantity. For example, I have some apples. I don't know how many, maybe 3, 5, 7, 10 apples. I don't know how many, but I have some apples. Okay, you can have a lot of apples, many apples, right? But if it's not that large quantity, you would say, I have some apples. Okay? They are countable. Nouns or apples are countable, so you can count and say that. Some for uncountable nouns. Oh, we also use some with uncountable nouns when the amount isn't specific. For example, there is some water in the bottle. Bottle, if you prefer American English, there is some water. You don't say one water, two waters, three waters. There is a liter of water in the bottle. It's correct. But if you don't know how much, or if you don't want to be specific, you say there is some water in the bottle. Okay? We use some for offers because, as we are going to see, usually you use any in questions. But when you are offering something and the idea is for the person to accept that, out of politeness, you use some. Some is commonly used in offers or suggestions, like here, would you like some coffee? Would you like some water? Would you like some help? All right? So when you are offering something or giving a suggestion, you use some. It's very nice, it's polite, it's appropriate. But you usually use any for questions. Any is used in questions, like here, do you have any bananas? You are asking because you want to know. If the person asks you, would you like any coffee? Would you like any water? Sounds like the person doesn't want you to accept. But here you want bananas and you ask, do you have any bananas? Because you want to know and you use any in questions. And you also use any for negatives. Any is used in negative sentences. For example, I don't have any money. Or the person in the shop would say, I don't have any bananas. I don't have any money to buy the bananas anyway. Okay, so this is it. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel. Please strike the like button. Please share the video with your friends, with other people that like English. And here on top left, there is a playlist of other quizzes. And bottom left, there's another video, another quiz for you to watch. And this is it. See you in another video, in a future video. All the best for you. Happy learning. Bye bye.